Hey everyone, how's it going? I hope you're all doing great. Today we're diving into something really exciting, the NOTPixel project. If you're curious about what that means, stick around because this could be a game changer. Now you might think of NOTPixel as a kind of successor to the Note project, and I'd say you're spot on. This project has a unique concept that hasn't been seen before, which makes it pretty special. The idea of a canvas where users compete over pixels isn't new. We used to play similar games in our browsers back in the day, but what's exciting here is the fresh approach they're taking. You'll want to watch this video till the end to grasp the entire concept. Plus, you can find the project link down in the description, along with a link to our Telegram channel. Trust me, you'll want to be there because all the important updates drop there before they hit YouTube. And hey, don't forget to smash that like button, it really helps us out. All right, let's jump right into it. Once you click the link in the description, you'll land on this interface. Welcome to NOTPixel. Picture it as a blank canvas of 1000 by 1000 pixels. Users have the power to change the colors of these pixels, but there's a catch. You can't just flood the canvas with colors one after the other. There's a waiting period you need to follow. Every pixel you color earns you rewards in the form of NOTPixel currency represented as NPIX. So, every time you paint a pixel, you're also mining for currency. How cool is that? You'll see a button that says, "Let's go." Click that to get a sense of why this phrase is so crucial. As you get started, you'll notice that other players are already showing off their creative skills. From intricate designs to random doodles, there's a vibrant community creating right alongside you. Now check out the star icon at the top. Click on it, and you'll see the Star Shop, where you can buy special items using your stars. But let's not get sidetracked here. We'll keep it simple for now. Next, we have the TNT feature, which you can purchase with stars. This nifty item can clear a 5x5 pixel area, ideal for reclaiming space if someone's taken over a pixel you wanted. Just zoom in on the area you want to clear, drop the TNT, and boom, it's yours again. Moving on, there's a Thunderbolt icon that helps you recharge your energy. Right now, I have 3 energy units, which means I can color 3 pixels. Let's say I pick red and choose a white pixel to color. Once I do that, I'm out of energy. Remember, you need to wait 10 minutes before you can color again. Keep an eye on your pixel count. The more pixels you own, the faster you'll accumulate NPIX. It's a race to see who can secure the most pixels while avoiding having them stolen. To speed things up, you can use the Boost option. If you click on your currency count, you'll find a section called Boost. Upgrading your painting rewards means you'll earn more currency for each pixel you color. For instance, if you upgrade to a 5-pixel painting reward, you'll earn 1.5 times your usual reward. Don't forget about energy limits. Initially, you can color 5 pixels at a time, but by purchasing upgrades, you can increase this limit, allowing you to paint more pixels quicker. The goal here is to color as many pixels as possible before your energy runs out. This is more than just a casual game, it's a pixel battle. You need to stay alert, steal pixels from others, and protect your own to continue earning NPIX while the game runs in the background. The servers are experiencing some high traffic, so you might encounter slow load times. If you see a black screen, just refresh the page until it works. Don't forget to check out our squad link in the description. Being part of a community can give you an edge in this pixel warfare. Click the link, hit OK, and get started. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you're as excited as I am about the NOTPixel project. Remember, your mission is to color pixels, upgrade your account, and steal pixels from others. The more pixels you hold, the more NPIX you'll earn. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to join the Telegram group to get the daily code and stay updated. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.